Ever wondered about the current state of chemical manufacturing globally? Let's take a moment to dive into the details. Chemical manufacturing, as we know it, is a traditional process, often complex and intricate. It involves a myriad of steps, from the initial selection of raw materials to the final product's packaging. Each step is crucial, and each step has its own set of challenges. One of the most significant challenges lies in the potential for human error. With so many steps to oversee, the room for error is vast. Mistakes can lead to a domino effect, causing delays, waste, and even safety hazards. Inefficiency is another hurdle. The traditional process can be time-consuming and labor-intensive, resulting in high operational costs. These challenges have been the bane of the chemical manufacturing industry for decades. But what if we told you there's a technological revolution paving the way for a more efficient, less error-prone future? Enter artificial intelligence. A real-world example is the case of a leading petrochemical company. This corporation, a titan in its field, was looking for ways to streamline its production process and boost efficiency. The solution? Incorporate artificial intelligence into their system. The company used AI to automate their chemical manufacturing process from start to finish. Instead of relying solely on human operators, they implemented smart algorithms to control and monitor every step. The AI systems were able to predict potential problems, adjust parameters in real time, and ensure the highest quality output. What this meant was an astonishing reduction in human error. No longer were minor mistakes causing significant setbacks. With AI at the helm, the process was smoother, with significantly fewer hiccups. But the benefits didn't stop there. By automating the process, the company was able to cut down on operational costs. There was less waste, less downtime, and less need for constant human supervision. This translated into considerable savings,